This is how it sounds when I'm talking directly into the built-in microphone of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is how it sounds when I'm talking directly into the transmitter of the Fulaim X3 with noise cancellation turned off. Everything you hear in this video is recorded using the Fulaim X3. Hi creators, Dirk here. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today we're going to take a look at the Fulaim X3 that is a dual channel microphone system. It comes in a charging case, and inside the charging case we have two transmitters with built-in microphones. We do have two receivers, one for USB-C and the other one with a lightning port. And then we have clips, magnetic clips, so you can put the clip wherever you like on a button shirt or on a dress. And then using the magnet, you attach the transmitter on it. That is so convenient. To give you the right perspective, in my hand is a quarter. So as you can see, it is almost the size of a quarter, that's small. In the box we get two of these magnetic dots, and that is so practical because now you can wear the transmitters anywhere. You just slip it underneath your shirt and then you let the transmitter snap on it. It doesn't matter if it's right here or your collar or your hat, wherever you think is a good position to record. The third way to wear it, there are two of these straps with a little medallion, a magnetic medallion, and you can wear it around your neck and attach, again via magnet, the transmitters on it. We do get a USB to USB-C cable. In case it's windy outside, we get two wind muffs. And again, they're magnetic. You'd simply put them on top and they hold. That's fantastic. We get a small USB-C to 3.5mm cable where you can connect your headphones. After plugging in the receiver to your phone, it will automatically connect to your transmitter. If you have a slim cover, it's not a problem at all. But if you have a very rugged cover around your phone, then you actually have to take it off to connect the receiver of the Fulaim X3. The built-in microphones of the transmitters of the X3 are very sensitive. By default, when you plug in the receiver, it's set to level 3, and I found this too loud, especially when recording outside. Wearing it here, that far away from the mouth, I found it best in a studio environment to set it to level 2. If I was outside where I normally speak louder and I have to speak up because of the surrounding noises, I would probably set it to level 1. According to the manufacturer, the distance for the transmission between receiver and transmitter can be up to 200 meters, 660 feet. That is mind-blowing. Given the size of these small devices, you could play James Bond and attach it behind the leaf of a flower in a restaurant and listen in on a conversation of other people. Well, I would not recommend doing this, but theoretically it's possible given the fact that the transmitter is so small. On top of the transmitter, we do have the microphone. On the side, we have a button. This button has two functions. The system goes automatically in standby mode if you don't use it for longer than a minute. And with this button, with a click of this button, you can wake up the system and reconnect the transmitter to the receiver. The first blue light is an indicator that transmitter and receiver are connected. And now with a click of the yellow button, you can turn on noise cancellation, and then a second blue light will illuminate. Closing the box will automatically turn off the other device that's left inside. That is important, that the device inside the box is powered off, keeps powered off, and doesn't pick up any surrounding noises. Good job, Fulaim. These tiny transmitters allow for up to 10 hours continuous recording time, and then you can recharge the entire system twice using the charging case. This is how it sounds when I'm talking directly into the built-in microphone of the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is how it sounds when I'm talking directly into the transmitter of the Fulaim X3, and I have noise cancellation currently turned off. I'm standing here close to a fountain, so you might hear some water in the background. I'm close to an intersection, so we might have through traffic, and I want to find out how the sound quality is and if you can hear any of the surrounding noises. A push of the yellow button, and now noise cancellation is turned on. Now suddenly we have two cars driving by. I'm not sure if you can hear it, if the microphone picks up on that. I'm talking directly into the transmitter of the Fulaim X3, and this time I have the noise cancellation turned on. And now it's time again for the fountain test. I'm standing next to a little waterfall, next to a fountain. And this time I have the Fulaim X3 with noise cancellation turned off. I'd like to know if it's already suppressing all the surrounding noises, how clear my voice comes across, and if the water here is bothering us or not. I press off the yellow button and now I turned on the noise cancellation. This time I would like to know if it cancels out the noises around me better than before or if it's the same. How clear can you hear my voice? How is the overall sound quality? I can't wait to compare it side by side. Another thing that's really mind-blowing to me is that this is one system that you can connect to your PC. Now I connected the Fulaim X3 to my PC. The receiver is plugged into the USB-C port and I'm speaking right now into the transmitter here attached to my shirt. And this pretty much sums up my review of the Fulaim X3. Thanks so much for watching this. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned and take care. Bye for now.